Hello, welcome to our channel. We are happy to share simple habits that can improve your health in real ways. Today's topic may sound too easy to be powerful. 10 minutes. Just 10 minutes a day. No gym, no expensive equipment, no complicated plan. Have you ever felt like you don't have time to exercise? Too busy, too tired, always delaying it? This is where everything changes. You do not need hours. You need consistency. Your body responds to movement. Even small movement creates impact. When you exercise for 10 minutes, your heart rate increases. Blood circulation improves. Your muscles activate. Your body wakes up. Then something important begins to happen. Your metabolism becomes faster. Your body starts burning calories more efficiently. Fat begins to reduce slowly. Your stomach becomes flatter. Your body becomes lighter. This is not extreme. This is natural. 10 minutes may look small, but repeated daily, it becomes powerful. This is how transformation starts. Your energy increases. Your mood improves. Your confidence grows. Exercise is not only physical. It affects your mind. Stress becomes lower. Focus becomes stronger. You feel more in control of your life. This is not about intensity. This is about showing up every day. Simple exercises at home. Push-ups, squats, stretching. Small effort. Big result. Because your body does not need perfection. It needs action. Even the smallest step creates progress. And over time, those 10 minutes become something bigger. A stronger body. A healthier mind. A better life. Because real change does not come from one big effort. It comes from small actions repeated daily. Start today. Just 10 minutes. That is enough to begin. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Your support matters. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay active, stay strong, take care.